the other day, Yahoo had this article. I guess it was like 3 days ago, before the big blizzard hit the East Coast. And anyway, so it said that the blizzard of 1888, how one storm changed New York City forever. And then it goes on, and basically they were kind of, I don't know if this article was the one, but the one I was reading, it was something about, they were saying that this new storm could be just as bad as this blizzard and blah, blah, blah. So I guess here you go. There's some pictures of it and whatnot. But, I mean, so I read this, and you got 1888, which is significant what I've been talking about for how long now. But I got on Facebook earlier, and I found a different article. And it talked about, it says, mystery solved. Man who shoveled Boston Marathon finish line ID'd. So this guy shoveled the Boston Marathon finish line, and they made an article about it because they were trying to figure out who did it or whatever. And where does it say it here? It says here, for hours Wednesday, internet sleuths wondered who shoveled the snow off the Boston Marathon finish line Tuesday morning, the blizzard that produced the sixth most snow in the city's history. It produced the sixth most snow in the city's history. Now, I don't know, most people on the internet at least probably remember where the address of the Boston Marathon was, 666 Boylston Street. And I know you cannot find that anymore, but I remember at the time getting on Google Maps and typing it in, and it pulled up where the Boston Marathon was, so the finish line was. You can't do it anymore. Pretty funny that they took it down now. But I found a couple videos on YouTube, and I'll leave them in the links so you can watch them. And it proves it to a T that they typed it in, and the Boston Marathon finish line was right there at 666 Boylston Street. And just kind of funny that it was the sixth most snow in the city's history, I guess. The sixth most snow in 666 Boylston Street. Also, to go along with football, the Patriots used to be called the Boston Patriots. After the Boston Marathon had happened, the bombing or whatever, I'm pretty sure the Red Sox won the World Series that year. So I don't know if this article, are the Patriots going to win because of this article? Who knows, but that's pretty interesting. Anyway, I'm just going to play this video out, and then I'm going to end it. So here you go. I don't want to go that much in detail because you can find tons of stuff about it. So about the Boston Marathon. Anyway, here you go.